All right, I'm going to go ahead and work solving one by substitution. I needed a blank piece of paper. Apologize. Oh, I got enough room here. Okay, first step, when they are both written y equals. Again, remember, if A equals B and A equals C, then I can from that say, oh, well then B must equal C. If A is equivalent to that and A is equivalent to that, I can say B is equivalent to C. I literally can substitute this B in down here and say B equals C. Let me move my little hand. All right. So they tell me y is equal to this and y is equal to that. I'm going to take all of this, and basically this is called substitution because I'm substituting it in for that y. So I'm going to write negative 2x minus 2 is equal to 2x plus 10. Now we solve disco moo style. Variables, numbers. Disco, whoever did this on their paper, I really like that you did this because now I'm going to do this from now on. Distribute, nothing to do, no combine. I need to move numbers. And when you say new move numbers, make sure you're only looking in one apartment. I need to get rid of that negative 2. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that negative 2 by adding 2 to both sides. I'm going to line it up with the number in the other apartment. You simplify 2x. Do not think that's 0. You guys are looking through walls if you think that's a 0. Don't look through walls. Now go to the number side. Are there any variables that need to go? Yeah, positive 2x. I need to subtract 2x. Subtract 2x. Same sign you add, different sign subtract. So I add those together. Keep the sign of the bigger number. Well, in this case, they're just negative. Equals 12. I move variables. Now I'm solving. Divide by negative 4. Divide by negative 4. I get x is equal to negative 3. I'm only halfway done. Halfway done. Okay, now you take this value and you plug it in, and I always say, original problem. OPP, yeah, you know me. Get down with OPP. Anyway, I always take the top one. It doesn't matter. I've shown already in class that it doesn't matter which equation you plug this value into to find out what y is. You will get the same y for both of them. Just make sure if you get x, which is what I've gotten here, because eventually we're going to solve where sometimes you don't get x first. You might get y first. Make sure you're plugging it in for the right variable. The appropriate variable. The biggest mistake kids make is they plug it into the wrong variable. So I'm going to rewrite this, but instead of x, I'm going to write negative 3. Now, I noticed on the test, some of you, when you did y equals mx plus b, you substituted in the value for x, but you still wrote the letter x. You can't have both. If I have a substitute, you're not going to see me and the substitute. It just doesn't make sense. You're either going to see me or the substitute. You don't see both of them. Now I'm going to solve this. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6 minus 2. The math should not be hard today, so y equals 4. I now have my x and y. You write them as an ordered pair. The x value is negative 3, 4. This is the point of intersection of these two lines. That is the solution for that system of equations without graphing.